Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 17th of June. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. And we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your tree needs. They have offices in Concord, Danvers, also in Needham, and on the South Shore of the Cape and the Islands. So give them a call. They'll come out and check out your property and check out your trees. It's a good time of the year to have things looked at, especially if you are seeing trouble. Things are rather dry, and we're going to remain dry today. Temperatures this afternoon up near 80 degrees. It's kind of beautiful out there this morning. Very comfortable. I had the windows open last night for sleeping, which was super nice. I was in Iceland for the past week, and last night was the first time it's been dark in a week. It's kind of weird. I think I actually like it light all the time like that. It's pretty amazing. I went hiking a couple of days ago, started the hike at 9 o'clock at night, finished a little before midnight. And that's what you can do there. You just have to shift your schedule a little bit. Now, overnight tonight, a little more humidity rolls in, temperature within a few degrees of 60. Tomorrow, you'll see some showers on your smartphone, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. Temperatures near 80. What you will notice is that humidity creeping up tomorrow big time. Showers come to an end Thursday night, and then Friday, breezy, warm, temperature in the low 80s. Tonight's beach day, and the weekend right now, upper 70s to low 80s. Low dew points. So when you get out of the water over the weekend, it'll feel a little chilly. We desperately need rain, though. I would love to see a rainy day. It's just really hard to get this time of the year. I hope you have a great morning, everybody.